Welcome, dear students. This is the English department. This is the activity from May the 25th to June the 5th. The objective for this lesson is the following: to recognize and express future affirmations and negations using be going to. We are going to study some grammar. Be going to for the future. Study the grammar. Use am, is, are going to, plus a base form to express future actions, plans, or events. Here we have the affirmative statements, negative statements, yes/no questions, and short answers. I'm going to read some examples. I'm going to make a cake. Here we have I am, this is the construction for I am, going to, plus a base form of a verb. In this case, the verb is make. Here we have the negative statements. I'm going to read this. She's not going to make a cake. Yes/no questions. If we want to ask a question, we have to write like this. Are your parents going to buy the decorations? And here we have the short answers. Yes, they are. No, they are not. Or no, they aren't. Another example. Is the party going to be a surprise? Yes, it is. No, it's not. Or no, it isn't. You are going now to write some sentences. You have to apply this. Activity 4. Complete each statement about Emma's plans with an affirmative or negative form of be going to. Use contractions when possible. Example number 1. Emma's going to go to orchestra practice on Monday. And then her friends to invite them to Peter's party. You have to use the verb in brackets. Exercise 5. Complete Emma's conversations with the correct form of be going to. You have to look at the pictures and complete the conversation. Danny, are you going to go to orchestra practice this afternoon? Emma, yes I am. Danny, me too. Let's go together. You have to complete number 2, 3, and 4. And 5 and 6. And at the end of the lesson, you have to write about you. Complete each statement with your plans for the week. Tomorrow I'm going to, the day after tomorrow. Here you have to write with your own idea. Thanks for your attention, and don't forget to stay at home and wash your hands. See you next time.